Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most coveted LEGO sets for Marvel fans, the LEGO Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hall of Armor 76,125 Building Kit. This is hands down the best Iron Man Armory Lego set available in the market right now. This set is a Marvel fan's dream come true, featuring 524 pieces that allow you to build Tony Stark's iconic Hall of Armor. It includes 5 detailed Iron Man suits: MK1, MK5, MK41, MK50, along with Tony Stark's face and hair elements to customize your favorite suit. The Iron Man Hall of Armor is designed with a rotating podium and detachable modules that can be stacked and combined in various ways, providing endless display options. Additionally, there's a posable Igor suit mech with a mini-figure cockpit, adding to the interactive play experience. The hall itself measures over 5 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 6 inches deep when assembled in its standard formation. The Igor suit mech stands over 3 inches tall, making it a substantial addition to any LEGO collection. Suitable for builders aged 7 and up, this set not only caters to young fans but also appeals to adult collectors who appreciate the intricate details and the opportunity to recreate scenes from the Marvel Avengers movies. Like all LEGO sets, the Iron Man Hall of Armor is fully compatible with other LEGO construction kits and bricks, encouraging creative building and imaginative play. If you're a Marvel enthusiast or know someone who is, this set is a must-have. Its attention to detail, range of suits included, and the ability to customize with Tony Stark's accessories make it a standout choice among LEGO collectors. To wrap up, the LEGO Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hall of Armor 76,125 Building Kit is not just a toy. It's a piece of Marvel cinematic history that you can build and display with pride. Whether you're adding to your collection or starting a new one, this set offers endless hours of enjoyment and creative exploration. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy building!